We got up late on day 3 and we were welcomed by this beautiful view of nature. Please have a look. So after freshening up, we continued our onward journey towards Mangalore. But before that, we had to make a stop at Murdeshwar to visit the famous Murdeshwar temple. So we almost spent 3 or 4 hours in the temple, enjoying the sceneries around, the beaches, the massive Shiva statue, everything. It was a magnificent experience. Spending a good amount of time at the Murdeshwar temple, we continued our onward journey. Our next stop was the famous Marwante beach. Now, the speciality of this beach is the national highway is running parallel to the beach. So you have beach on one side and there is a river on the other side. So the view is so beautiful that you have to stop there at least to click a pic. Just have a look how beautiful. Doing all the stops for pics, videos, we finally managed to reach Mangalore by 6 in the evening, and we were greeted with a very heavy rainfall. Yes, an unexpected rainfall in the month of December in Mangalore, and we were all drenched because we were not prepared for rains. But our journey was complete. The first part of our journey was complete. We had to attend a family function, so we didn't get enough time to visit various places in Mangalore. But a visit to Mangalore is never complete without you visiting the beaches in Mangalore. So we managed to sneak out some time and visited a beach that was near to our place, and we had an amazing experience like always. Beautiful water, and we got a chance to enjoy a beautiful sunset as well. You can definitely have a look. about our return journey, I would say it was more than awesome because we were right on track the moment we left home, and everything was going as per our schedule. So it was just an awesome experience. We left at around 10:30 in the morning, and we reached Belgaum at around 9 in the evening, 9 or 9:30 in the evening to be precise. But unfortunately I couldn't shoot any videos, or I managed to shoot the videos but I couldn't keep it or view it because my memory card had gone corrupt. So I just lost the entire day's video. But I can say I had a lovely experience, and one thing I can tell about Belgaum is it gets really very cold, especially during late evenings and night time. It's very cold, and we were not carrying our inner liners of our jackets, so we had a tough time riding our bikes. But these are all part and parcel of the game when you're riding a bike. So today was the final day of our journey. We left at around 12 in the afternoon from Belgaum, and we had to cover 500 plus kilometers in the entire day, because our final destination for today was home sweet home. So we knew that today it's gonna be a long day, and mentally we were prepared for it. after this beautiful sunset that we captured, we navigated through the Pune traffic and we reached Lonavala at around 9 in the evening. And at around 2 o'clock, we finally reached home. We were tired, but we had this fulfillment, the joy of fulfillment, because we had accomplished something. We completed the entire journey of 2000 kilometers, and it was a wonderful experience for us. This is something that we will cherish for our entire lifetime. Alright, so this was our entire journey from Mumbai to Mangalore and back. We had a safe one. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and do share it with your friends as well. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive further notifications. Before we end this video, I'll share a few memories that we had during the entire trip. I hope you liked that as well. So, thank you for watching.